Hey there, it's me Govinda from hustler.com. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the very serious matter that you should be caring about. The reason you should be caring about is because I have been there, right? And I have seen what is, and I've been seeing what is going on, right, over the time. So I'm talking about digital marketing or online space in general, right? Most of the people they get into this space, online space, like making money online stuff, right? And it's been a trend for some time now here in Nepal, right? Most people, most young generation just like you are looking after the ways that you can make money, right? So are you aware of these ways that you can make money, right? You may be aware of most of the ways, but do you know there are many ways that seem to be legal but they are illegal, and there are many ways they seem to be very much like easy but they are very difficult, right? So I want to just talk about this topic today. So I've been in this space, I mean in this space or in the field of digital marketing since 2021, and it's almost been 4 years now because it's almost 2024, right? So during this time I made so many mistakes. I am succeed in few things and I failed in many things. So if you take a look the graph, I failed so much and I succeed a bit. Okay, but I learned so much over the time, right? So what is working like? What is like being a digital marketer in Nepal? That's what I'm going to talk about today. So let's say if you are in this space, and you know there are many ways that you can make money online, right? So there are few ways that are very like evergreen ways, that these ways are always there and they have been there for a long time, right? So it's been a long term game for these things, and there are a few shortcuts ways that most people talk, such as, okay, if you go YouTube and search for how to make money online, you will find most of the videos they talk about, okay, cash app or kind of like earning app. So most of the video creator, they're promoting some sort of application, right? And I don't really think these application owners will just give you money where they make nothing, right? I don't think it happens, right? So of course there is something in behind. So I don't even think, and I have not even seen some kind of legal or some sort of application that allows you to make money which is enough to live life, right? And I'm not talking about $1, $2 a month, right? I'm talking about sustainable income that can help you to live your life, of course, after all, because you're spending so much time on these platforms and you're getting nothing. You're getting maybe $1, $2 per age, and what's the point of it, right? So I don't believe in these things. So I believe in something that is sustainable, that you can start and it works, right? You can scale it and you can take it to somewhere, right? Or you can at least learn so many things about these businesses, right? So the topic is that being a digital marketer in Nepal, I would say it's very tough. Number one, why? It's because um, most of the business owners, or let's say most of the people in Nepal, they are not so much aware of online stuff, right? They are still suspicious, or maybe they're still like, should I do it? Maybe does it work, right? Kind of like they're not so much, confident. They're not like, okay, it works, let's go for it, let's invest in it, let's do it. No, they're not like that, right? Most of the people, I would say the market is not yet warm. It is still cold, and it takes so much time to make someone warm about these things, and then finally make them to purchase something, right? Unless you are a big company spending so much money or investing so much money in marketing campaign, it's very tough, right? Because let's say if you are a digital marketer and as a freelancer you want to offer your services, such as maybe you're a graphic designer, right? Maybe blog writer, or maybe let's say copywriter, right? Or maybe you are SEO expert, or maybe Google ad expert, or Facebook ad expert, right? So you want to, of course, a monetize your skill set, right? You want to monetize what you have, right? But if you look for a client, if you talk to the client, hey, I'm Facebook ad expert and I help you just succeed your business online, I help you grow your business online. Most of the people will tell you, okay, how much, right? How much? They wouldn't tell you what are you going to give me, right? They will not tell you this for sure, right? And if you ask the same question to the people who is living in the United States, or maybe in Dubai, maybe in Australia, if they if you ask them, well, I'm gonna just grow your business online through a Facebook ad, they may ask you, okay, what have you done? This is first thing. Second, well, what is the return, right? What is the return percentage? What is the return in investment that you can give me, right? That's how they ask you. But in Nepal, they will not ask you. They will ask you, can you do the marketing for me in just 2,000 per whole month, right? Or I have seen client, they even tell you, they even told me, by the way, okay, you do the copywriting, you do the graphic designing and all these things. I mean, you make content for ads, okay, whether that is an image ad or a video ad, you do this all, okay, and you run ad, okay, for a whole month, and I give you 5,000 NPR. That's how they told me. That was the time. It's very tough, right? So now in 2023, I decided to quit these all things, not to work here in Nepal. And I know I may be wrong in this thing, because there are many businesses that are succeeding, many agencies they are working on it. Okay, for me, let's say you are a solopreneur. Okay, it's very tough. Okay, so what I decided is, I will be selling a digital product. I will be creating digital product, and it's okay. I might be failed many times, right? My product get maybe sucked many times, right? That's okay. I will create more and more. I'm trying to make the product better, and I will sell this product to the people who are living worldwide. Okay, not just limited to Nepal, but anywhere in the world. So currently, I'm working on a business model where I make a digital product and I sell to the people who are interested in it, no matter where they live. Okay, I have already set up the payment gateways such as Stripe and payment. And yes, I know it is not available in our country, but I have done it in any ways, right? There are many ways that we can do. All right. So I hope it helps. It's kind of like, I just wanted to make short video, but I think it's already 8 minutes of video. So in future videos, I'll be making more about making money online in very genuine ways that you can do, how you can do. And so I'll be making videos on these things. All right, and also about my journey. All right. Thanks for watching. If you think this video was helpful, you can follow the page and get more updates. All right.